beautiful soul. So today we're talking about setting goals, and setting goals and intentions are a powerful tool in manifesting your ideal future. Goals, either short-term or long, are an ideal way to monitor your progress and better center your efforts when you feel your focus start to stray. Refocusing gives you a much-needed vision on your future through your goals. Achieving short-term goals gives you that motivation you need to move on to bigger and better goals towards your ideal future. And this simultaneously boosts your confidence to think bigger and better. Also helping you recognize your strengths, your own abilities, and how to use them. Now, I personally like to use the moon phases to guide me in helping me achieve short-term goal setting. They all happen within a month, so that's around 30 days, and within a year you have the ability to meet 12 personal goals moving towards your higher self. Here's a little bit of insight on the different moon phases. You can use these toward better focus. First, you have the new moon. The new moon sets the beginning, the tone. This is the time to gather all of your thoughts and come up with a plan for the month of working towards your personal short-term goals. Second, the waxing crescent moon. This is used to set the intentions of your goals. So in other words, put your desires and intentions into the ether, into the universe. This is less about mental work and more about making lists and actual plans toward the established goal. 3, the first quarter moon, which involves putting in the groundwork and taking action. Around this time, it is said that you will face your first obstacles. So you have to remember what is it you want to achieve, and that this is the time to keep pushing forward no matter what. 4th, you have the waxing gibbous moon. This focuses on evaluation, like all of the gibbous moons. This takes the time to stop and realign working towards your goals and make the needed adjustments when you notice that your focus is wavering and things should be starting to pick up steam around this time. That's why it's such a good time to make sure you're on the right path and eliminate any stagnant energies that may be affecting you. 5, the full moon. It focuses on clarity in all aspects of your life, even within your goals. A good question to ask now is, where can I use this wisdom I have gained on this journey towards my goal, and how can I make things work more efficiently for me? So around this time, be prepared to be open to new experiences, such as those little blessings in disguise that we fail to notice sometimes. 6, the waning gibbous moon. This is a time to be grateful for all that you have achieved towards your goal. Celebrate all of your hard work and every small win, no matter how small, within your short-term goals. Go ahead and be proud of yourself. You deserve it around this time. 7th, we have the last quarter moon, which reflects on both gibbous moons. These are the 2 moons of goal evaluation. So naturally, deep thought and evaluation bring attention to ideals, beliefs, people, situations, and energies that need to be released because they no longer serve your greater good. This is the best time for shadow work. Any shadow work, do it now. 8, the waning moon. This brings you time to rest, recuperate, and reflect on your month. This is a good time to reflect on you, your emotions, and your body. So take a mental break, pause, and do some self-care. This is the best thing that you can do for yourself. Your body is your most important tool, and it should work efficiently. So do something nice for yourself, okay? Now is the point that we're back at the new moon, and it's it's time to physically and mentally clear your plate. This will make room for new goals. Take the time to gather your thoughts toward these new goals, or you can restart your old goals with a new direction. In a Dash of Mindfulness PDF, the phases are easily indicated by the pen labeled goal work. It looks like a little tag. And you can set reminders regarding your personal goals or use the ones provided based on the astrological energy around that particular moon for that month. Okay? Not to mention it is free. You can click on this link up here and go to the next video in the series to learn more on how to use the PDF properly. Or you can click on the link in the description box below and jump right into the PDF. Love and light to you. Bye-bye.